Myntri Rangbah ke Meghalaya Konrad ke Sangma haga khat neu trek nailar ule Plie Paidbah ke pain home ke Shillong kentiu ke khai pateng bat ki kam jengok kai perthai eco sustainable project hashnong Mawlangwir Maukerwat Southwest Khasi Hills haga jingidon lang sembut Myntri Rangbah ba Preston Tensong bat Myntri kam jengok kai Timothy di Shira. Ula peliru ia ketua longwar Open Air Museum Hamau Sendram, baka sorkar kala penchlur ban kentiu ia keroi kapa bat ban penne ikjing ai bekordor jong kimen barim syakani kapateng menta. Haka jingkren haka jingelang peli ke pain home Mawlangwir, Myntri Rangbah ula pen ia kenuksa jong keroi kapa da kajing penne pensa ikjing start bat kibut perekam kajik menta, kibla keneri kikti ban trilang da kawai Khubor ban wanra ikjing kiu haka yok kakot. Ula kenturu iki Paidbah kani kathan ban riban sumar kendong iki kamariang bat ban penne iki klau ki petap kita long umdi bagijing internet ki jaka puta. Ula kentu kerpang iki tu ki bedon ki sap ki pong tenrai ki benang ban su ban than ban shnatar ban penjanai shushu iki namar hakani kejuk kum kini ki kam ki pli ki lat kilenti ban roi ke kamai kaji. Kum juru ka penne iki dustur keriti tenrai jong kathan barok kawai. Ulai ro ikajing trelang da kawai kaput Khubor jong ka sat snat multi-purpose cooperative society kabla kenchau hado sun point kandai pau kulur tingka bantai yakani ka pain home hakani ka shnong. Hakani ka pain home lepin biang ka restaurant, ka community hall, ka conference hall, ka training hall, ka guest room, ka tourism information center bekiwe-kiwe kijing dan kam. Ulapin benaru da kaboong bahapo sinam arjar arpupra ka sorkar kan kershan bat yarap ikibriu ke Meghalaya bantai lai hajar tali ki homestay hakaleng kishnong ka Meghalaya. Kibalodon lang hekini ki jingelang pli mentakasngi ki kentup yo MLA ba Renekton El Tongkhar, Chief Secretary Dr. Shakil Ahmed, Commissioner and Secretary Congressetta Mary Korba, ringkat Khubor penyak ke district ki klik nong sensyar hima ki Rangbah shnong bat kinong mikmat na kiseng terilang.
A warm welcome to all of you to Pine Home Mawlangwir, and I'd also like to welcome all the. We are gathered here today not just to cut a ribbon, but to plant the seed. It gives me immense pride and joy to welcome you and all to the inauguration of Pine Home, an eco-sustainable project that embodies our belief that development and nature can.
A major part of the Pine Home project is celebrating not just our green architecture, but the vibrant welcome to our cultural troupe as they present a cultural performance, Khasi. Changes across the state, launching a wave of ambitious schemes that have transformed opportunities for entrepreneurs. To bring this stage alive, we now bring to you an extraordinary performance. A major part of the Pine Home project is celebrating not just our green architecture, but the vibrant welcome to our cultural troupe as they present a cultural performance, Khasi. Changes across the state, launching a wave of ambitious schemes that have transformed opportunities for entrepreneurs. To bring this stage alive, we now bring to you an extraordinary performance.
And therefore, this is a beautiful example and a beautiful project to really showcase that partnership that we are trying to kind of project to the rest of the state and in fact the country. And therefore, it is the stakeholders, the Site-Snat Multi-Purpose Society, our Meghalayan Age, the Picasso pupils, the local, our headmen, and the entire, the village and the people who are involved in this. It is you who had made this project a possibility. In our team is there. People have started believing that Meghalaya can change. People have started believing that yes, Meghalaya can be in the top 10 states in the country. Come. Like let her cut. You should cut. You hold it. No.
Kepada nilai tentang kerja-kerja yang di society, mulai nak bentar ke Shillong, kadang ke Thai berkawai.
Was on, so you can get heat up there actually. It was designed the way that electricians came here to do the research. See that in the traditional building there is always 5%
Yeah, sure. It is looking like amazing. No, we can have one small kind of a review meeting here. We should do, and then stay here. Thank you. Thank you so much. Okay. All the best. Thank you, Korea. Come, shall we have a
Ready? Yeah. 1, 2, 3. One more. Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, this is an amazing site.
Explain actually.
It's called the Pine House, right?
Yeah,
Pine House.
Pine home.
Pine Home.
Pine home. It's actually, this is also, it's not only the exterior is there, and this is not only the lake, which is like for the tourism, it's the reservoir of the water. So when there is less water, they can pump the water from the lake and through the filter bring it upstairs to the upstairs syntaxis. And even though it's designed the way that there is a natural root cleanser, so wastewater management is actually a little bit problematic in the state. So one condition of the agency which is going to run it, they have to use the natural cleansers and natural cosmetics. So it goes through the root cleanser before it enters the rice field.
Internet, kali.